Morning, sir. Morning, Satish. So suppose this is the question. Okay. Mr. Boycott, a Canadian citizen, comes to India for the first time during 2015-16. There is graphical error. And since then, he was there for 55 days, 60 days, 90 days, 150 days, and 70 days. Determine his residential status for 2021. Okay. So let me see what will be the effect of it. Now tell me, for Mr. Boycott, these conditions will be prevailing or these conditions will be prevailing? What will be the condition for Mr. Boycott?
Sir,
Yeah.
your voice is very low.
What I was asking here, that as you have seen just now, this was the question for Mr. Boycott, which was a Canadian citizen, and these were the number of days: 55 days, 60 days, 90 days, 150 days, and 70 days. Now tell me, this Boycott will be covered under which provision? This provision or this provision? Because this time provision got changed. You have seen that there is a changes. So Mr. Boycott will be considered by section 6, subsection 1A or section 6(1). Under which section? Have you got my question? My question
Yes,
is
sir.
clear. Yes. So whether it will be as per the new amendment, there he will lie, or it was the previous what we were learning, 182 days, 60 days, and so on and so forth. So which condition will be applicable for Mr. Boycott?
Sir, section 6(1), sir.
No, I told you yesterday also. That will be applicable only and only for Indian citizens. Keep in mind always. Okay, these changes are only for Indian citizens. Okay, always keep and remember it. If it is other than Indian citizen, we will follow the previous, and here it is very stated, this clause will not applicable what we have learned earlier. So the old provisions will be applicable here. Here, so according to that, if you will put the number of days, what is going to be happen? Just let me know how many number of days are given here. These are 70, 150. So here it is 70. Here it is 150. You can write textbook, question number 2, page number 17. All of you write illustration 2, page number 17. We are doing this. Just now we are dealing this question. Then (90, 60, and 55). 90, 60, and 55. Before this, what we will take? Nil. Am I clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
So again, as I hope you must have written these conditions I told you earlier also. Kindly keep this table ready whenever you are coming for the next lecture. It will save your as well as my time. So here it will be question number 2. Just like see how we have written here. Solution number this, page number this. Likewise, you write solution number 2, page number 17, 17. I hope your table and working note is ready. Kindly do it fast. We need to do many questions. Next time onwards, please come with these tables. It will save your as well as my time. These tables are important. Here the calculation will say, now don't put these values. I'm finding Sachin, Stuti, Veena, Kismat, Vijay, Harshita, and Anurag. They have put their video mode on, and I can find them. They are writing. Remaining, I don't know what they are doing. And please do in your assignment book only. Okay, don't keep like this is rough book, that is fair book. We will not get that much time. Yes, very nice, Sachin. Very good. We will not get that much time better. Now next week I expect you do and come. So should I start solving? So you can put the detail also. It is not so great thing. So here it is, stay in India during previous year is how much? 70 days. Yes or no? 70 is more than 182 days or less than 182 days?
Less than.
Less.
So it is not
Less than.
Less than.
this condition is not satisfied. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then again here I will
Yes.
put 70 days. If 70 is more than 60 or less than 60.
More than 60.
So this condition is satisfied again. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now preceding 4 previous years, how many days? देखो कितना आ रहा है? Are you finding? It is 355 days. So what will happen here? Please know. Therefore, what will be the status? The status will be non-resident. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So likewise, you start doing questions. Once you have finished, you need not have to write 6. If you have written till here, it is more than sufficient. Go to next. Can we proceed to next question?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. The next question was, Mr. Shaw, Japanese citizen, left India after a stay of 10 years on 1st June 2018. During the financial year 18-19, he comes to India for 46 days. Later returned to India on 10th October 2020. Determine his residential status. What you will do? Now again, I will ask the same question. Whether exception will be applicable for Mr. Shaw or not?
No.
No, not at all. Very nice. Then what we will do? So this provisions will be applicable. Yes? Then these provisions will be applicable, na beta? I need to take this also along with me. So what is happening for Mr. Shaw? Before 6 June 2018. So 6 June 2018 will fall under 18-19 or 17-18. Tell me. 18-19 or 17-18? First June 2018.
18-19.
18-19. Very nice. 18-19. How many days? 46 days. Okay. Before that, he was there in India. for 20 years. So before that, 17, 18 onwards, it will be 365 days. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then he came on 10th October 2020. So he left. So 1920, he was not there in India. Yes. Then directly he's coming on 10th October. So these many days are not there. These many days will be nil. Now October 10th. How many days of October? How many days of October? From 10. October will be of how many days? Jan, Feb, March, April,
31.
July, August, September, October. Okay? So from 10th October to 31st October, how many days? From 10th to 31st October, how many days?
21.
21.
21.
21.
21 days. 21 or 22? We have to include date of arrival. The 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31st. So 21 days or 22 days? Just count and let me know. You have to include 10th because he came back on.
Including 10th, it would be 22.
Understood now? Why here it is 22 is mentioned? Clear? Hai? So
Yes, sir.
don't make such kind of errors while calculating. Now you must be knowing and understanding the importance why I have started doing this kind of practice during lecture. Even though it is seen to be a very easy topic, but you have to focus a lot. Then this is done. Since then he is there in India. So November how many days? अभी एक बच्ची ने बोला था ये 31, तो ये 30 December 31 Jan बोलो this answer I should get
31.
you all Feb अरे इतना टाइम लगता है
28.
28.
March. So be careful about
31.
leap year. Be careful about leap year. And for leap year, what Panda I told you? You divide by 4, there should not be any fraction. You divide by 4, there should not be any fraction. Am I clear? Okay. Thank you. So what is the total year? 173 days. 173 days. Here, how they got in their answer also.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Again, I will go for the old provision. 173 days. I hope this working is done with you all. This is your textbook question number 3, page number again 70. Question 3, page 70. I hope now these things must be giving you one kind of alert. Boss, without practice, purpose is not going to serve. Do you agree with me or not? Every question is something new. You have to apply here, there, all logic. But it is a common sense. Once you have understood the funda, you can apply it, put it in the provision. Very simple. Don't worry, I'll make you like that. Provided these kind of children is there with me. I am not concerned about others. But yes, I am concerned about Ritesh, Poonam, Anurag, Kismat, to whom I can found that they are really writing, they are focusing. Anjali, Reema, Jyoti, Sachin, Suti, and Harshita. Again, I will write these things in my provision. Now, one year, how many days we will write? Tell me.
173.
Absolutely right. Here I'm going to write 173. So again, it is not satisfied. Okay. Then I'm going to take what is the last year? 173. So this condition is satisfied.
Yes.
Yes.
4 previous years. Preceding 4 previous years. Bolo.
776. 76.
76. Now many students can see my Excel total also. Thank you very much, Bacha Pati. Very nice. This kind of attentiveness we require. So this condition is satisfied.
Yes.
So then that will make Mr. Shaw as resident to India. Okay. Now once resident, I have to check further. Section now here I need to write. I cannot do like that. That section 6 subsection 6 clause A, section 6 subsection 6 clause B should not be written. It should be written. Now tell me, forget about everything. Here they will be resident or not? And
Yes.
wait. Some year here 2015, 16. It will be 366 days. You need to be careful about this also each year. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I think here also resident, 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 more than 2 times. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
More than. So this condition is satisfied for Mr. Chow.
Yes, sir. Satisfied.
Now I will check preceding 7 previous years. How much you are getting?
1872.
Yeah, 1872, sir. This condition is also satisfied. After a long time, we got resident and ordinarily resident.
Ordinary.
Clear है? सब
Yes,
आपके
sir.
काम अभी आप लोगों ने कर
Yes,
लिया.
sir.
Okay, so conclusion will be resident ordinarily resident. Okay, and same answer you will be getting here also. resident and ordinary resident. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. I hope now you can practice other questions with your own.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Again, Anjali, Harshita, Kismat, Sachin, Shruti, Dima, Poonam, Anurag, Jyoti, Ritesh. These are the kids. These are the learners to whom I can vouch, I can say, I can assure. But for others, no comment. Now, are you enjoying learning taxation?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Once it is done, please let me know. There is another question which we need to target now. Do it fast. We have only 3 minutes to go. Okay, we have little time. Just let me know about next question. Mr. Daud, Indian citizen, leaves India. Okay, on 22nd September 2020. For Mr. Daud, we will be following this condition or the new one, 61A.
New one.
Thank you. That
New
very
one.
good. Very good, very good, very good. Got it. Chalo, listen. We now like that, either this or this. You know, you have to follow to get their residential status. Am I clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do it.
Yes, sir.
See you next week. Till then, be at home. Be careful. I've given you the option if you have got the vaccination. Kindly update us because we need to know how many students has done the vaccination. It will help us to take the further decision whether we should be in a position to reopen the college or not. The CR in your group I have already forwarded. Kindly forward to all the class.